Hello everyone. Good evening. How are everyone feeling? Welcome everyone. People are joining. Hello all. Today is beautiful day in Bangalore. Good evening Alka. Good evening Sukanya. Hi Mokchata. Good evening. We are going to start the session in couple of seconds or minutes. Hi Bhagyashri. How are you all doing? Hope doing great everyone. Wonderful day, wonderful weather in Bangalore today. Hope it's same in everywhere. Hi Madhu. You can drop in from where you are connecting also places. Very nice. Hi Vinay. Hello Farhina. Good evening Shubhra. Wow, people are joining very quickly. Hi Shruti. Connecting from Chennai. Wow, people are connecting from different locations. Yeah, hi Smriti. Hi Minati. Nice everyone. So welcome all of you to the wonderful heart to heart live session of Reskill Nation. I am Praveena. So I'm going to share with all of you how growth mindset is helping me to grow successfully in my life, in the sense in all aspects of my life. So to talk about my background, I am Praveena. I am a homemaker. I was a homemaker earlier and now I am an entrepreneur, and I am basically I'm born and brought up from a place called Jaipur in Odisha, a wonderful place, and my schooling, my college studies, everything was done there only. And I graduated from Vikram Dev College in my hometown Jaipur, and post that I got married to Badri. So my in-laws, my husband is from a place called Hiramandalam, very beautiful village, small place in Andhra Pradesh, and we are settled in Bangalore. So we are blessed with two beautiful children. So our daughter and son, 9 years old and 3 years old. So I just wanted to share with you all my feelings, my learnings mainly from one of the session of Reskill Nation program. So I have attended the Reskill Nation high value courses program, and I learned lot of things, lot of learnings, and I'm implementing those also, which is really helping me a lot. So I would share few of my learnings, what I got it, and with examples. So the session will be really very exciting. So one of the session I got to know about growth mindset. So they to talk about growth mindset, before that I will be explaining you about fixed mindset. So fixed mindset is the mindset a person may have it, uh, like he or she believes that the intelligence or the skills or the talents are what he or she have it, and those cannot be changed as they are fixed. And coming to the growth mindset, it is a mindset a person or an individual can have. The intelligence or the skills or the talents, they can be improved. If they were not there, they can be learned with lot of learnings and efforts also. So in this session, I got to knew about the growth mindset, which really excited that I have even never thought about it or got to knew about it also earlier. Okay, so I'll be giving you few examples and learnings, so you'll be getting little more clarity about it and you will understand how I'm actually feeling it. So one thing I can tell, like, I was getting intimidated by others' success. Like the background I came from, I never thought of going into uh, working professional completely. But after some time, I was thinking, like, one of my friend who was very successful in her life, in her career, I was thinking, oh wow, she was doing it, I am not able to do it, is what I was, that feeling was there in me. And when I got to understand about the growth mindset, that seeing her success, I need not feel bad or feel actually low. I can actually think that I can also succeed. I can also succeed in my life. And there is another point I can tell you, that social media, I was actually having lot of fear uh, before this. So social media fear, in the sense, I wanted to become an entrepreneur and I was having lot of fears that what if I can post this, what if some people will think what if I may do wrong. And also I was having lot of fear that I am not into this, I don't know how to do small things also in the social media, be it Facebook, Instagram, all these things. And after understanding this growth mindset, that fear is not there, but the mindset have become turned in the different way, that I can learn it through my learnings, is what I am able to do it. And now when I see, compare myself with my few back, then I can think of that there is a lot of improvement in me. I am able to do it, which earlier I was thinking I even can't imagine that I could have done it. And next is learning new things you can think of. As I told, uh, like for example, I can tell of a technology. I was not much into technology because of the background I have come from. And even I was worrying about, it's a very silly things to many of you, but it was real experience for me. The silly thing is, like, I was even scared of doing some online transactions also. So I was thinking, oh, what if I do some wrong? Maybe the card gets blocked. Maybe instead of some amount, I transfer something. Hope you understand, it is a very silly thing, but it was a big deal for me at some point of time earlier. Then I was thinking I can't do it. But slowly, after this mindset concept, I got to know, okay, let me learn. There is some point of time. Then you can't believe I have done it. And when I compare with others, maybe that is a small thing, but when I compare myself with others, I really feel a good joy. There is a good joy feeling in me that I cracked it, that there is no fear in me doing these small things. And also I can tell about one more wonderful example, or the learning, that my we as I told, we are blessed with two children. So from many of my friends and other moms who have children, so they used to tell that exams are coming, I have to sit with my children to help them study and help them doing homeworks. So that mindset I also carried, listening to others, that oh, maybe I should also do it. So initially I was also thinking, and I was also sitting with her, helping her do small homeworks or activities, or helping her study. And now, after this understanding the growth mindset, I realized that nothing like that. When I can help her educate, understand her, that she can actually do it herself. Of course, I will be there to help her out if any real questions are there, but there is no compulsory for me to sit with her and help her in understanding, or help her doing homework just completely, like it's like I am also doing homework with her. I changed my mindset, and yes, she is also doing it herself. This could be possible with the learning I have got it through this growth mindset concept. And lot more examples. The one best thing I can share with you all, live one, is in my schooling from my childhood onwards, I have never participated in any of the live performances, or never spoke or never did any performance on the stage, or else even never could speak in front of few people also. I'm sure there will be some like me, right? So I was thinking that this is not my cup of tea. I can never do that. I can't even think of talking in front of people. And now I'm able to do the live session in front all of you, in front of you. So isn't it amazing? I'm able to do it because of the mindset I got to understand through this Reskill Nation High Value Skills program. So this is the growth mindset. Many examples are there like this, and even there is a, yes, you would have heard, or you, many of you also know that if someone gives feedback about the thing I have done or you have done, like for example, it could be like I wanted to do something and I got a feedback from my mom. It happens with many children also. So the feedback, it can be taken in one way, that oh, she's not appreciating me. I was actually sometimes like that. If anything I was doing my best and I was not getting, I was thinking like that, may why is not she why is she not me why is she not appreciating to me, or why I did the best. But later the feedback, taking it in a right way, actually helps me to improve. That's where I'm able to learn very nice wonderful things, taking the feedback from others. So taking the feedback is also a very small thing, which some people may think that what's the big deal, but it was actually a challenge for me. And now I'm able to do that because I'm able to think, my mindset have completely changed of the thinking that like fixed or growth, towards the growth, towards the improvement, towards the learning is what. There is no time limit to, it's never too late to learn new things. So this also I learned and understood through this growth mindset. And as I told, the paying small bills, doing new things, these all things were scaring me a lot earlier, but I'm able to do it slowly. I'm able to learn because of the wonderful sessions organized by the Reskill Nation High Value Skills program. And even I was comparing few things that my husband is doing, that he have passed out from IIT Madras. He is so much, and I'm at this level. Maybe I can't improve. Listening, understanding this growth mindset, improving myself, I thought, yes, I'm doing my best. I'm feeling so good about myself. All this is because of the program what I could sign up in the Reskill Nation High Value courses, which actually really helped me. And all this I am speaking about is only one such sessions learning. Very few learnings I'm able to put it in front of you. There are like lot more learnings for me. So this Reskill Nation program is offering very good high value skills program, which I personally learned lot and I am implementing also. And also I see that many women like me really want to do something, but due to the fixed mindset would have struck in their life. And I'm sure understanding this, learning these new skills really excites many of you. Mompreneurs, womanpreneurs, ladypreneurs, there is a lot of life for us to enjoy, to get that happiness. This is super exciting. So sign up in the Reskill Nation High Value Skills program. If I hope if you really want to get it done. And every weekly two sessions we are organizing live heart to heart talks. Today it's like Wednesday evenings 4:30, every Wednesday's evening 4:30, and Saturday morning 11 o'clock. You can listen to lot stories, lot inspiring stuff from many mompreneurs, ladypreneurs through this, who are becoming successful through this Reskill Nation. So it's wonderful talking to you. Hope I added some value to all of you, and nice talking to you. Stay safe, stay healthy. Signing off, Praveena.